Welcome to the Car Truth. Dragon Bulldozer Motorhome is a monster transformed into a luxury beast. Built on a powerful bulldozer chassis, this machine mixes raw construction power with unexpected comfort. Its massive frame is powered by a turbocharged V12 engine that roars like a dragon, pushing through any terrain with ease. Mud, rocks, snow, you name it. It's not just a motorhome, it's a survival machine that breathes fire. Step inside, and you're greeted by an ultra-modern cabin wrapped in dragon scale-themed leather. The walls shimmer with LED-lit textures that mimic dragon skin, while the heated floors and retractable skylight make you feel like you're in a futuristic cave of comfort. It offers dual climate zones, a king-size bed with massaging functions, and even a holographic entertainment system that folds into the ceiling. The kitchen is a tech lover's dream. Touchless cabinets, AI-controlled appliances, and a voice-activated cooking assistant. You can bake, fry, or steam just by speaking. The bathroom is crafted with volcanic stone tiles and comes with a rainfall shower that adjusts to your body temperature automatically. There's even a mini spa and a compact sauna. This Dragon Bulldozer also includes a drone garage with 2 exploration drones that can scout trails or provide cinematic footage of your journey. The exterior is coated with heat-resistant matte black armor that changes shade in sunlight, enhancing its dragon-like aura. For safety, it features a 360-degree camera system, night vision, and bulletproof glass. Whether you're going off-grid or just flexing in the city, this motorhome commands attention and respect. With a top speed of 95 km/h and insane off-road capabilities, the 2026 Dragon Bulldozer is not just a luxury ride. It's a fire-breathing legend on wheels built for the fearless few who want both luxury and dominance wherever they go.